Hello, Melissa and Mickey here. I'm here at Walt Disney World once again, and I've decided to check out the Swan Reserve, which is part of Walt Disney World, and it offers larger rooms. And today we are in a King Signature Suite. Yes, King Signature Suite. So we have a living area, we have a pull-out bed, and then we have a king bed. So it's a nice option if you're wanting to stay close to Walt Disney World. It's not owned by Walt Disney World, but it is part of Walt Disney World. And when you book your next Disney vacation with Melissa and Mickey, we'll go over all the perks that you get when you stay here at the Swan Reserve. So let's go look at King Signature Suite 4331. Here we go. Look at the beautiful space here. You can see, oh my goodness, we have a full table here. We have a living room area. We have a master bedroom, and then we have a Jack and Jill bath. So once again, you know, I love to show you everything, and then we'll go back and we'll see the details. I think we have 3 flat screen TVs, which is nice. Hi, honey. And yeah, this is going to be great. Here's the master through here. And then we have a large bathroom, which is Jack and Jill. So you can use it also for your guests that are out here. So let's start. Let's go into the living room area. We have a chair and a pull-out sleeper sofa. I'll open that up to let you know what it looks like. I love all the detailing here. Again, flat screen TV. We are in a standard view, so we have a rooftop pool view. So this is our view in a standard room. You can also, we can discuss booking a theme park view, and you will get Epcot, which is lovely. Now over here, we have a kitchenette. So inside here, we have a microwave, which is nice. And then we have a dorm size refrigerator, which is also nice. I recommend no more than 2.5 gallons of milk if you do this. Also, I can chat with you about having groceries delivered if you'd like to do that as an option too, when you book your trip with me. So yeah, we can talk about lots of different options. So here's Keurig, and I see that they have Cafe Valet coffee, few creamers, we have some tea there, and then all the different options for that. We have to-go cups with sleeves. Oh, look at that, Swan Reserve, how nice. And then we have 2 complimentary bottles of water. Wonderful. All right, now let's go into the master bedroom. So here you have your king size bed. You could do king or 2 queens. We can discuss that when you call me to book your trip. And then under here we have luggage storage if you'd like. Another flat screen TV. We've already been to the park today, so some of our goodies are here. And we've got a lot of storage, and then I did find our safe here. So it's a self-locking safe. You choose your code. Look how pretty these little birds are. Everything's so modern here. We're scan the QR code for resort information. That's great. Seating, and as you can see, we have extra blankets there. Ooh, look at that. It's a really pretty painting of a pool. And we've got some USB ports here to charge. And then over here, I have quite a few USBs and regular plugs here, along with your phone and more storage. Now we have a full-length mirror, and then we have 2 closets So there's one, pretty big. I don't see any hangers, which is unusual. Let's look on Scott's side over here. But a lot of storage. Okay, yes, hangers are over here. And we have, this is the blanket and the extra pillow. We also have a steam iron here and plenty of storage. We're going to a gala tonight, so I'm super excited. We're going to dress up, so that's our dress and suit. Now here's our walk-through bathroom. So you've got the stand-up shower, which is nice. You have a rain shower, and great, that's wonderful. I thought that was interesting. There's a little foot bar there too. So here is one sink, and then it also has a few items here. Well, yeah, that one's not full. We've got our tissue, and then we have bath products, which are Swan Reserve Vitamin C. We have shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, and body wash, and then of course your face soap. So this was here. If you walk through, here's the Jack and Jill. So here's another sink, which is nice. And then you have the nice lighting. And there's the wallpaper. Then you have your toilet. And yeah, you can get directly over here back to where we started. And yeah, very good. Wonderful. So for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa and Mickey. You can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. Book your next Disney trip with a Disney expert so you don't miss a thing. Today we were out at the Flower and Garden Festival at Epcot. There's so much to see and do. Don't miss anything trying to plan your own trip. Just call an expert and I'll walk you through all of it where you have no worries in the world. See you real soon.